Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Telegram. You can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Telegram app on your phone. And from here, you just need to click on the search icon located at the top right corner of your screen and search for Spam Info Box. As you can see it here, you'll be able to see the official spam info bot that has a check mark which indicates that there are the genuine one. So tap on it. And after, you just need to click start. Now here it's stated that no limits are currently applied to your account. And you just need to click on, but I can't message non-contacts. And it will ask you, has your account been limited recently? You just need to answer no. Now it will tell you that it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once. Such limits are temporary and will soon be removed automatically. You just need to wait for a couple of hours or 24 hours and it will be removed automatically. Or if you don't like this solution, I can offer you a second option, which you will go back to your home screen, tap on your Play Store, open it, and search for Telegram X. So here, this app has the same function as the Telegram and it's genuine as well. It offers a lot of features that maybe you don't have access in the original Telegram app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!